What's up, Savages? Welcome back to the SavageMine Random Coin Mining Show that we were just live at like about, I don't know, 6 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago doing something else. I'm all compressed tonight because YouTube, if you're not aware, but YouTube was down for live streaming apparently for at least a couple, 2 or 3 hours. And whenever I was supposed to go live at 8:15 to talk about conceal.pay, a conceal.network roadmap item, milestone that was supposed to start at 8:15, and I didn't start until 9. So yeah, kind of crazy. Anyway, I am going to, it finally came up at 9. So let's quickly cover how to mine AION using SimpleMining OS. I've done this before. I've got a hour-long video about it. Not necessarily just simple mining, but definitely check out that video on my YouTube channel as well. But let's go ahead and, I don't know, if you're watching this, you probably already know a little bit about AION, I would imagine. But let me give you a quick refresher. So what exactly is AION? It is a globally distributed smart contract platform focused on scalability, interoperability, security, efficiency, and usability. And most of the team's efforts go into helping developers build a new network, a new internet or Web3 that puts the end user experience and their privacy first. So that is basically what AION is up to. Now, the only rigs that I have on Simple Mining right now are AMD. So that's what we'll use. I typically don't mine AION with AMD just because the hash rates are pretty low. But that was quite a long time ago, and maybe they've made some improvements. I don't know. So let's check it out and see. So this is my SimpleMining OS console. As you can see, I'm mining CCX on both these. These are co-owned rigs. I don't own these rigs outright. There are other people that own portions of them. And we have been on CCX for a few months now, and probably will continue on these rigs. CCX is a kryptonite algo, and it draws like low power, and it's just pretty efficient. So that's what I like to mine here at the house. So on those rigs, because Ethash just, man, it pulls so much. It's so power hungry, like Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. So there you go. Let's go ahead and go over to group config, and we'll add a group. And this is all, I'm just winging this, to be honest. So AION uses Equihash 2109. I don't know if you can just type in AION up here. It doesn't find anything with that. So you would do 2109 maybe. 21, it looks like they use slashes, 9. Okay, so there's a lot of them. So Gminer is one of them. It looks like it is, I don't know if they've always had it for AMD as well. I thought that you used to have to use LOL miner, but it looks like they have, it looks like with version 1.32 they added RX capabilities or AMD capabilities. Didn't know that. So we'll give this a shot, because I know that Gminer works well on NVIDIA. So yeah, let's try it. See what happens. Alright, so algo is probably going to be, I like that they've added this info down here. So it definitely helps, because what they do is they basically just pull whatever's on Bitcoin Talk thread for the miner usually, or maybe from their GitHub repository, so that you know what the settings are without having to actually go and look them up, right? So that's a big pat on the back for the Simple Mining devs to get that done, because that helps a lot instead of having to go track down this information. So we're looking at Equihash 2109. So it looks like this is what we have to actually type in there. So I'm just going to copy that, paste it in here. Make sure the space is there. For the personalization string for AION, it is that you would probably have to look that up somewhere. Yeah, so we would have to look it up, but if I remember right, it is AION 0 POW. I think that's right. And we have to put a space in there. So we also need, now I already have the spreadsheet from last night whenever we were looking at this. So we'll use the same pool. We'll use cluster.aionpool.tech with port 3333. So we'll copy that. Close this one here. All right. Yeah, that's what happens whenever my machine crashes. It stores all those old documents. All right, so server, we got to pull the port out of the little string here and put it over where it needs to be for the port variable here. Not variable, but parameter. And then the user is the receiving address, which in our case, I had put this in here, I thought. All right, so man, I hope this doesn't crash my machine, but I'm gonna have to go and grab, let's see if I can, give me a second here, guys. I just want to see if I probably have, well, you know what I can do? I already have it set up in Hive OS, so what I can do, that way I don't have to fire up the wallet or anything. I'm just going to go in here and grab this address here. All right. That's the wallet receiving address, and that is my desktop wallet. Okay, so you guys probably saw that last night. I'm going to expand this a little bit because I think I have too many spaces. Yeah, see, I had one too many spaces in there. And then we'll leave the password as X, API 3333. Looks good to me. So we will just click, let me zoom up on this so you can see the full string here. Alright, so we should be able to click add group down here. We should be able to go to rig list, and we'll choose Mustafar. I have less problems with this one, with this rig restarting and stuff. So we'll go to rig actions, group, config. Oh, I had to put a check mark in there first. It won't let you get this far if you don't do that. And then the group that we created was AION YouTube. And we'll just do a reload. I don't think that miner is in there, but it should download it and everything, so we'll check that out as well. So we're going to save that. So I believe down here it will show. What's up, Shuby? Yeah, thanks, man. What's up, YouTube watcher? I'm Newton. How's it going? All this to make a payment looks easy. Are you referring to this conceal video? Because this is like a different, this is totally different video now. Yeah, see right here it says no miner is in the cache. So it's downloading it. Because again, I mean, I don't mind AION on the AMD rigs. But with Gminer getting in there and making it available, if it's efficient, you know, it might be an option here. All right, so that would make sense. So it's saying that, where did I see it? Yeah, there it goes. All right. Device not supported. So now I'm starting to think, what I might have to do it's possible that I would need to re-image this drive in order for that to work. I don't know for sure. But what we can try is we can try a different miner, because I was kind of shooting in the dark there, just trying to use Gminer. You know, it's not normally the miner that you would use for AION, right? Or I mean AMD. So let's go in here and choose a different miner. What should work is LOL miner. Because if you come up here and type in 2109, you'll see LOL miner right here. And that's usually what at least that's what I used to use. Well, that's what I used for the demos whenever we were doing the videos for how to mine AION. So let's try this one out. All right, so right here it says coin sets the coin you want to mine, beam, AION, etc. All right, so we'll put AION in there. The pool, we know what pool we're going to use. I should have that memorized by now, but I'm big on copying and pasting, that way you don't mess it up. And then the port was 3333. User was my receiving address, which I'll get from over here again. And then password is X, sounds good to me. Make sure I don't have any crazy spaces in here. So as a basic configuration string, that looks pretty good. Now what I could probably be able to do here, let's see where I could put the rig name in there. Could probably put it at the end of the address. I probably could put dot rig name, this variable right here. But I'm not going to try it just yet. So we'll save it like that. And then we'll try to add that. See here, I think I'm doing this right. Actually, yeah, it probably would have already tried to restart it. All right, just in case. Shuby, you've got some free crypto at 1,000 subs for me. Okay, so what are you offering up here? Because I was thinking about doing a giveaway too, but I'm 200 subs away, and I only get. I'm averaging maybe, man, yeah. Newton, yeah. Check out that stream just ended. It's probably not available yet. You probably have to wait maybe 20 or 30 more minutes, and then it'll be up and on my channel. So check that one out. It's about half an hour long, talking about conceal pay and stuff. So I guess it's pretty interesting. I don't know. But check that out. yeah. So what was I saying? Totally got. Oh, the giveaways. I was looking at maybe doing some type of pretty big giveaway at 1,000 subs on YouTube. I am at just over 800 now, and I only get, I think I'm averaging like 100 a month, something like that, between 80 and 100, which isn't a lot. I mean, that's like organic growth right there. That is, you know, I don't know. That's just basically where I'm at with that. So Shuby, what do you got? What do you got available for 1,000 subs? Let's talk. See what we're gonna do. All right, so let's check this out and see if anything's happening here. Okay, so LOL miner worked, and I was hoping maybe maybe the AION pool.tech guys would be in here, and they would have been able to stop me whenever I try to use Gminer for mining it. It might still work. I don't know. Maybe we might have had just something goofed up in there. Don't know. But it does look like, based on what I'm seeing here, it is still not quite that efficient. So we'll go back and look at some profitability calculators and stuff. So you can see right here, should come up here in a moment and say share accepted. Maybe. I saw a few of them before I zoomed up on it. Oh, come on. Give us an accepted share. Okay, there we go. All right, cool. So just a little bit of proof that it is working. But what we'll look at is, okay, I don't have, it doesn't show me hash, yeah, it does, okay. So right here is the hash rates, 635 sols per second. So if we go over to a calculator and we go, what was it, I forgot already, 600 and what? 637, all right. And then the power on that rig right now, let's check that out. This was Mustafar, right? So we're looking at Mustafar here. You see right there. All right, and then we're gonna click on power over here. So it's at 788 watts, 758, 726. Okay, so it's fluctuating a little bit. We'll just call it 780. 780 sounds good. So let's throw 780 in here. My power is about 10 cents on average after taxes and whatnot. So we'll go calculate. That's probably not right. Okay, so I probably missed something here. Or actually, that might be right. Yeah, maybe after, yeah, okay, so that, yeah, that does make sense. All right, so as you can see, not very efficient with this much power and that much hash rate, sols per second. It is just not that great on AMD. You know, I mean, you would do this if you were just trying to accumulate as much as possible, but if you were looking to, you know, exchange it at some point in the near future, it's probably not going to work out very well for you to, it's just not very profitable on AMD GPUs, put it that way. All right, so Let's get over here to Brandon Coin's website or his channel and see if he is doing anything tonight, because I didn't see anything posted just yet. Yeah, okay, so he's premiering. Oh yeah, about that NiceHash founder. It's crazy stuff, man. All right, that is gonna do it for me. Let's head over to Brandon Coin's daily mining live stream. Although he's still premiering, he's not exactly live because he's in the process of moving and stuff still. So, but let's head over there and check him out. And I will see you guys tomorrow night. Probably we'll probably do a little bit more AION stuff. Maybe there'll be a little pre-stream like there was tonight with the CCX stuff. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Thanks so much for stopping in and checking everything out. I will see you guys tomorrow night. Stay savage again.